Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JONE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider where the price was down around this portion of the chart, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed on the day, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at the 36-cent mark. Why is 36 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 36. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, as again, 36 cents. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers seem to be hanging out at, the majority seem to be right around 44 cents. Yeah, I get it. The price did technically go up above there, but it's kind of just a middle ground and area of price congestion. 44 cents, in my mind at least, seems to be right around, that key level. If you want to call it 45, I mean, that's a penny off. Point here being, though, that at the end of the day, price made a really nice move going into the weekend, and now it's just a matter of building higher lows, because as long as you have higher lows being built over time, everything else takes care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So great way to end the week. Let's see if this momentum can play out and continue next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.